ISTE 4C involves with improving pedagogical skills and improving student learning. One asset that helped with this is Quality Matters. As a student, we had to do a certificate of completion. We had to also do a self-review on a PD course that we created to make sure that we were in alignment with the ISTE standards for student learning and technology integration. We also had to do a course worksheet giving full detail about our basic course information, a brief bio of ourselves, how long the course would be, whether it was blended or fully online or half and half, include the objectives and how they would meet the standards, the policies of which our schools use that address diverse needs of students, disabilities of students, which platforms, which of course in our case was Google Classroom, other tools that we may use to enhance our Google Classroom course. But Quality Matters was established and it was a peer review process so that instructors could make sure that they had a quality course that would enhance student facilitated learning.